Magento is an e-commerce website platform owned by Adobe that specializes in e-commerce websites. Magento users have access to 100 of unique features that help them connect with their customers and sell their products. After a year and a half of using and developing an e-commerce website built on Magento, I would like to share my honest thoughts. Advantages of using Magento. Full e-commerce features. Magento provides a full e-commerce features to meet your business need. The admin panel. Magento offers user-friendly admin panel that simplify site management. Extensive extension library. Access a lot of both free and premium extension to enhance your online store functionality. Page Builder integration. The Magento Page Builder extension for creating content with simple drag and drop interface. Multi-store management. Manage multiple stores. Supportive community. Join the Magento community for assistance with resources like Magento Stack Exchange. Disadvantages of Magento. Steeper learning curve. Magento can be challenging to develop due to its complexity, which may require a steeper learning curve for developers. Limited documentation. Sadly, Magento documentation leaves much to be discovered, making it challenging for developers to find resources. Complex design patterns. Magento relies on 13 design patterns, which make it really complex to develop on. Pricing. Magento offers different pricing options. Magento Open Source, free and open source for small businesses and startups. Magento Commerce, starting at $22,000 per year. It provides advanced features and support. Magento Commerce Cloud, priced at minimum $14,000 per year. It's designed for larger enterprise seeking a managed cloud solution. Note that the pricing does not include additional costs for hosting, transaction fees, SSL certificates, integrations, support, domain name, registration, design, development, extensions, payment provides fees, or SEO, and digital promotion. In summary, Magento is a powerful e-commerce platform with a wide range of features and support community, but it might be very challenging in terms of development complexity and documentation. Thank you so much for watching. Your support means the world to me. Till the next time, stay curious and stay glitchy.